Marketing. Let's stand out with Google. And let's stand out with Google or on Google for free. Let's attract new clients, new customers with a free business profile. Your business profile can appear right when people are searching for your business on Google search and maps. Google makes it easy to create and update a business profile so you can stand out and bring clients in. So let's click the link and learn a little bit how to engage with new folks looking for a certified professional inspector in your area. Take a look at that. That's where, see Chicago Music Exchange? This is Big Ben Inspections, right? You want to learn how to create a Google business account and get all of the advantages and benefits of having that presence online with Google, and it's free. So you click the Manage Now button, and I have a few things that I can manage in my account. That's what you're going to do. Business profile. Stand out on business with a really good profile. See you have the website. This would be Big Ben Inspections. There's your map. When you're open, there's your phone number, and then you have invitations to come join you, or come schedule now. Please schedule now with me, or watch a video of me performing an inspection. You can keep customers up to date. Am I open? Am I closed? If I'm closed, maybe you can call me or leave a message, right? It's through this Google business account. Man, if you have a website, that's great. But if everyone is using search engine, Google has the dominance here. So you might as well use the tools that they have. And it's free. So click the link in your course to get a free business profile and stand out on Google at no cost, free.